Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in last video, I'll show you how you can grow your business on Facebook Marketplace with zero investment. But if you are a teenager just like me and if you want to start your business on Marketplace, what will you do? Because you don't have any products to sell. So how you can get products? So on public demand? No, it's not on the public demand. So today I'll show you how you can get products and sell on the marketplace. So there is a business model called reselling business model. So today I will take you through the reselling business model and I'll show you an app from which you can get your products to sell on the marketplace. And at the end of the video, I'll show you my payment proof. So keep watching video till the end. Guys, let us just now understand what is reselling business model. So let's say there is a manufacturer called M and there is a customer called C. Now there is a person in between called reseller. Let's say it is A. So now reseller will buy products from manufacturer and add his margin to the products and sell to the customer. So if reseller is buying product from the manufacturer in 200 rupees, now reseller will add his margin. Let's say he is adding the margin of 50 rupees. So he will sell the product to the customer in 250 rupees. So this is a whole business model called reselling business model. Now, how will a reseller reach to the customers? So the answer is reseller can reach to the customers via Facebook Marketplace. So Facebook Marketplace will be the channel for the reseller to reach to the customers. Reseller can upload his product on Marketplace for selling. Now, in our case, who will be the manufacturer for us? So the answer is there is an app called Meesho, which will be the manufacturer for us. Meesho is India's #1 reselling app. It's an app, so you can find it on Play Store or App Store. You can simply download the app. You can find thousands of products on the Meesho, and you have to just simply select the product whichever you want to sell to the customers. Then you can download the images of the product and copy the description of that product and simply upload on the Facebook Marketplace. Now, generally in the reselling business model, the reseller buys products from the manufacturer and delivers products to the customer. But in our case, when customer gives you an order for a particular product, you simply have to order that product on the Meesho, and Meesho will directly deliver that product to the customer. So you don't need even inventory. So it's a very beneficial for the teenagers just like me who doesn't have any money to invest into any business. So this is how the whole business model will work in our case. So now let us just see Meesho app in more detail. So guys, right now you are looking at my phone screen. So let's just get into the Meesho app. So let me just type here Meesho. So here is the Meesho is opening. So you can find here bunch of categories of products, and if you click here on the collections, you will find more category of products. So you can select whichever category you want and you can sell any product of this. So just I will go to the home category and let's just go here into the decor, and you will find bunch of products which you can sell. So let me just click on this product, and I like this product, so I want to sell this product on the marketplace. So what will I do? Simply I have to just click on this download button. So it will download all the images of the product in your phone, and after that, if you want to copy the description of this product, you just simply click here on the copy. It will copy all the description of this product, and you can simply just go to the marketplace and add your product and upload your images and just copy this description over there. And let's just talk about the price of the product. So here you can see the price of this product is 177 rupees. So now you have to add your margin into this product. So you can sell this product up to rupees 250. So simply 250 minus 177, so 73 rupees will be straight your profit. So if someone orders this product from the marketplace, you get the profit of 73 rupees into your bank account directly. So now if someone has given order of this product to you, so how will give you order here? So just click here on the heart option and click here on the shared. It will show you all the products which you have shared on the marketplace. So now simply just click on this product here, click once more. So now you can see here the option add to cart. So now I will click on the add to cart, select here size, here it is free size. So now select the quantity and just click on continue. So now your product will be added to the cart. Simply just click on the cart option. Here you have to select the payment method. So most of the times I have seen on the marketplace people are choosing cash on delivery. So just simply click, I am clicking here on the cash on delivery. You can choose whatever payment method you want as you are selling to the customers. So let me just click on the cash on delivery, and here everything is fine. So just simply click on the proceed, and here you have to write the total price. That means the price on which you are selling to the customer. So here, as I said, I am selling this product to the customer in 250 rupees. So let me define the price here, 250. So here you can see simply 72 rupees is my margin. Now simply proceed, and here you have to give the address. So simply fill these details and save the address. I am not doing these things, and simply click on the proceed. And one more feature I like most about this app is you can sell products with your brand name. So let me just show you in this app. So here you can see sender information, and let me just click on the change here and simply click on this add new sender option. So I am clicking on this. Here you can select the name of your shop or of your brand. So if you want to sell the product on a particular name with a particular sender information, you can type here. So let me just click here. So let me just type here RM Collection, and here you have to provide your mobile number. I am not doing these things, so let me just go back, and at last you have to just place order here. I am not placing any order because I am just showing you a demo. Now let me just show you my payment groups, and click here on the account. So I am showing you my payments. So here you can see I got my total 60 rupees of profit. I will show you another one. Here you can see 69 rupees of profit. So this is how you can get your products from the Meesho and sell on the marketplace. This is it for today, guys. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, press the like button. Also share this video to your friends and comment down below your suggestions. And if you have any query, also comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications of my upcoming videos very quickly. So thank you and keep learning.